Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use glutathione capsules. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant naturally produced by your body, crucial for maintaining cellular health. It plays a key role in detoxification processes and supports a robust immune system. Understanding its function is the first step to effectively incorporating it into your wellness routine for overall health benefits. Determining the correct dosage is crucial for optimal results. While common daily doses range from 250 milligrams to 1,000 milligrams, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional for personalized guidance. For better absorption, take your glutathione capsules with water, preferably on an empty stomach, about 30 minutes before a meal. Consistency is key for effectiveness. Glutathione offers a wide array of benefits for your health. It significantly aids in liver detoxification, helping your body process toxins more efficiently. Furthermore, it acts as a powerful antioxidant, reducing oxidative stress and bolstering your immune system. Many users also report improvements in skin health and a general increase in energy levels, contributing to overall well-being. When choosing a supplement, opt for high-quality liposomal or S-acetyl glutathione for superior absorption. While generally safe, some individuals might experience mild side effects such as stomach upset or bloating. Always discuss any existing medical conditions or other medications with your doctor before starting glutathione supplementation to ensure it's appropriate for your specific health needs.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.